my 6th class on chapter 2nd polynomial. Today I am going to discuss finding all zeros of a 4th degree polynomial when two of its zeros are given. That means you will be given a 4th degree polynomial and two of its zeros. You have to find out other two zeros because a 4th degree polynomial can have at most 4 zeros. Now, before discussing this question, let me take a polynomial. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2. Now, what is the value when x is equal to 1? P of 1. P of 1 is 1 square minus 1 minus 2. That is 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus 2 means 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Now, what is P of negative 1? P of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 square. That again 1 minus negative 1 minus 2. 1 minus negative 1 means 1 plus 1. That is 2 minus 2. You get a 0. And what is P of 2? That is 2 square minus 2 minus 2. 2 square means 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 which is equal to 0. That means you get the value 0 when p is equal to negative 1 and p is equal to 2. So we can say negative 1 and 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. Now let me factorize this polynomial x square minus x minus 2. How can you get factorize x square minus x minus 2? Here product you can take it as negative 2, 1 into negative 2 and sum is equal to negative 1. The factors of 1, 2 are factors of 2 is 1 and 2. While subtracting you get the negative 1. So negative 2 plus 1 you can take it as. So x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 you can rewrite this polynomial. Now consider the first two. X you can take it as common, then x plus 1 and minus 2 you can take it as common, then again x plus 1 because plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Now x plus 1 is common, so remaining is x minus 2. Therefore, the factors are x plus 1 and x minus 2. Now, here you got the zeros minus 1 and 2. Factors x plus 1 and x minus 2. Can you find out in a relation? Yes, this you have already learned in class 9. If negative 1 is the 0, you can write x plus 1 is as a factor. And if negative 2 is one of a 0, then you can write x minus 2 as a factor. Suppose you are taking negative 3, 4 are the zeros of a given polynomial. Can you say what are the factors? Yes, it is x plus 3 will be a factor and x minus 4 will be the other factor. 2 into 3 into 4. 6 into 4, it is 24. Now, 2, 3, 4 are the factors of 24. What about 2 into 3? Yes, 6. That also a factor of 24. Similarly, 3 into 4, 12. That also a factor of 24. This is true in the case of polynomial also. Now, let me take the factors of polynomial as x minus 1 and x plus 1. Now, you can find out x minus 1 into x plus 1 is also a factor of the given polynomial. Now, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here we can write x minus 1 into x plus 1. It is equal to x square minus 1 square, which is x square minus 1. So if x minus 1 and x plus 1 is a factor of a polynomial p of x, then x square minus 1 will be also a factor of p of x. Now let us look at the question. Here is your question. Find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and negative root 2. Here the zeros are root 2 and negative root 2. If root 2 is a 0, you can say a factor is x minus root 2 will be a factor of the given polynomial. And if negative root 2 is the 0, what will be the other factor? Yes, of course it will be x plus root 2. Now x minus root 2 is a factor, x plus root 2 is a factor. Then its product is also will be a factor. That means x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 will be a factor. So we can write, since root 2 and negative root 2 are the zeros, x minus root 2 into x plus root 2, which is equivalent to x square minus root 2 square is equal to x square minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Is a factor of given polynomial. Now what you have to do is, the given polynomial you have to divide with this factor. That is 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 by x square minus 2. That you know it. Take the first term of the dividend as 2x raised to 4 by first term of the divisor x square. While dividing you get 2 x raised to 4 by x square, you can write it as x square, that is 4 minus 2. So the first term of the quotient will be 2x square. Now do multiply x square minus 2 by 2x square. 2x square into x square is 2x raised to 4. 2x square into minus 2, which is equal to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4x square. Where will you write this? You have to write this term just below the term containing x square, that is minus 3x square. So here you can write it as minus 4x square. Now do subtract it. Here it will become 0. 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 is 0. So negative 3x cube. Now what is negative 3 minus negative 4? It is plus positive 4. So you will get 1. 1 no need to write the variable only, x square. The remaining terms you get out. This you know how to divide it. Now the first term here it is negative 3x cube. First term of the divisor is x square. Do divide it, you get it as minus 3x cube by x square is x. So minus 3s will be the second term of the quotient. Now do multiply x square minus 2 by minus 3x. Minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube minus 3x into minus 2. It is plus 6x. That you have to write it here, plus 6x. Now do subtract. You get it as x square. 6s minus 6s will be 0. Minus 2. Now here the first term is x square and divisor also x square by x square you get 1. So the third term of the quotient will be 1. Now 1 into x square, you can write it as x square, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So you get remainder 0. So the new quotient, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1, will be a factor of the given polynomial. Now to get other two zeros, you have to factorize this one. This you know how to factorize it. Product, you can take it as product is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. Sum, you can take it as the middle term coefficient, that is negative 3. The factors of 2 are 1 2s are 2. While adding, you are getting 93. So that these two factors should be negative 1, negative 2. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1, you can rewrite as 2x square minus 1x, that is minus x, minus 2x plus 1. Take the common term, that is x. So 2x minus 1 you will get. Here minus 1 you can take it as common. Then 2x minus 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Now 2x minus 1 is common, and x minus 1 you get it. That is 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies, what is 2x? You will get it as 1, which implies x, you get it as 1 divided by 2. Now what is x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies? X minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Therefore the other two zeros, the other two zeros are 1 and 1 by 2. In this way, you can find out the other two zeros if a fourth degree polynomial and two of its zeros are given. Now let us look at the textbook question. Here is your question. Obtain all the zeros of 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 1. The given zeros are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Since root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the given zeros, you can write. If root 5 by 3 are the zero, what is the factor? Yes, x minus root 5 by 3 will be one of the factor, and the other factor is x plus root 5 by 3. And its product also will be a factor of the given polynomial. That means x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square means it is 5 by 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Now you have to divide the given polynomial by x square minus 5 by 3. So you can write 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5 by 3. Now the first term here in the dividend is 3x raised to 4. First term in the divisor is x square. So you get 3x square as the first term of the quotient. Now do multiply 3x square with x square minus 5 by 3. 3x square into x square, 3x raised to 4. 3x square into minus 5 by 3. What will you get? Here 3 cancel. X square into minus 5, that is minus 5x square, you get it. So you can write minus 5x square just below minus 2x square. Now do subtract as in the previous case. So here you get 6x cube. Now do subtract minus 2 minus negative 5. What will you get? It is minus 2 plus 5. you get 3. So it is plus 3x square. Now get down the remaining terms minus 10x minus 5. Now divide 6x cube by x square, that is 6x. That will be the second term of the quotient. And do find out the quotient polynomial. Now do factorize the polynomial, you will get the other two zeros. That you do yourself, you get the answer as -1 and -1. That means x plus 1 into s plus 1, you will get the factor. So the zeros will be -1 and -1. Here you have two more questions. These questions were asked in previous year board examination. Do yourself. The answer also given here. Do verify your answer. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.